In this video, I will share with you my analysis of NIO for a potential swing trade in the coming days. I have to apologize for the low level of the audio because I was basically speaking to myself, and after recording the analysis, I thought I might just go ahead and share it with you. Came down to this low, so establish a value area low. Sitting at 535, there was this low volume zone here, and there's this high volume low here, right up here at this high. So I could see price come up here, and this these people that got in long here probably be happy to break even and get out. So I'll probably get a little bit of a selling dip down to this area here. Then probably will come back up and then head toward this high volume node, this point of control. This point of control here, and probably continue to push toward the 6 area, to this this area here. We'll probably get another batch of break-even seller here, and then push back down before it makes its way up to this low volume area, this value area high. And if we break this value area high, then we'll probably be looking at these this area 650 area. So basically that's what I'm looking at, on probably on the long side, because if it comes down, basically be coming back down here, then the short will be happy, because I believe these probably already been shaken out. These long, a lot of long here, so a lot of these people that's holding up here is probably just waiting for break even. But here's a high volume no. If we come down here, then we'll probably see, expect a little bit of a bounce back up. Right. Most likely I see a rejection here. I see a rejection here. Probably at 530. So we just watch to see, do we get rejection and come back up and then do this? Or would it basically break that and come down to here before we find some support? Test the value area low and then come back up. I hope you find this video informative, and click the thumbs up to give it a like. If you're not a subscriber of my YouTube channel, help me build up my channel by subscribing, and be sure to click on that bell icon so you get notification whenever I upload a new video. Thank you for watching, and good luck.